Hello students of class 8. So in this video I'm going to continue with the natural vegetations of the North America. The last video I've explained about the mixed forest and taiga. In this video I'm going to explain about the prairie and the temperate grassland first. So the prairie grassland and the temperate grassland is found in the central portion of North America, where only grasses are grown. This name prairie grassland has been given by the French settlers, which means this prairies actually means meadows. Okay, now this prairie grassland region is the also known as the Great Wheat Land or the Bread Basket Zone of USA and Canada. Now let us see this prairie grassland zone in the map. So this is the map of the North America. This green portion is showing you the Canadian portion, and this green portion is showing you actually the United States or the USA portion. This pink portion is showing you the Canada portion, and this yellow one is the Mexico portion. Okay, so the prairie grassland or the temperate grassland. Okay, so this prairie grassland or the temperate grassland is found in this central portion of the North America. This is the central portion of North America. Over here the prairie grasslands are found. The reasons for the growth of this grassland in this particular zone is the low rainfall. Okay, the rainfall amount is very low in this particular region. As a result of that, the tall grasses grown instead of big trees. So this is the reason why we found the growth of the prairie or the temperate grassland in this particular central portion of this North America. Okay, so the word prairie actually means the meadows that I've already explained, and this is also known as the bread basket of the both USA and this Canada. The next natural vegetation zone that we have is the desert and the semi desert. In another one we can also say as the arid vegetation belt also. So where we found this we found in the maximum larger portions of our Mexico, Arizona and southern part of California. This is the zone where we found this type of vegetation zone, and over here only thorny bushes, cactus and sand binding grasses grow. So this is the desert and the semi-desert type of the natural vegetation type. Because of this lack of the rainfall, desert and the semi-desert region, we all know that the amount of the rainfall is very less. So because the amount of the very less, we don't get the big trees over there. We generally get the bushes, cactus and sand-lined grasses type of the plants or the vegetations in the desert or the semi-desert type of the regions. Okay, so these regions are particularly found in the Mexican portion, Arizona portion and the southern part of the California portions of our North America. Okay, now let us see the places in the map. So the desert and the semi-desert vegetations are found in this portions of the North America. You can see the Arizona is present over here, then the Mexico is present over here, and the southern section of California. So this is the southern sections of the California. So this is the zones where we generally get the desert and the semi-desert type of the natural vegetations belt, or the natural vegetation zones of North America. The next vegetation type is the Mediterranean type of natural vegetation. We generally found this in the small sections of this central California and coast, which is actually the Pacific coast. This vegetation can withstand or can check summer drought. The trees over here are usually small and they have oily leaves. Okay, so the type of the leaves that these plants are oily in nature, and some have thick bark and leathery thick leaves also. Examples are olive, then cork, then oak, etc. Fruits are also grown over here, like the grapes, then oranges, etc. So this particular Mediterranean type of this natural vegetation is found in the small sections of the central portion of the California coast, where we generally get the Mediterranean type of the climate. This type of the vegetation has been characterized by that the trees of this particular type of the Mediterranean are smaller in nature and they have oily leaves. Some of the trees have thick barks and also have this leathery thick leaves. Okay, but there is a one characteristics of this type of the vegetation is that they can withstand the summer drought. Means during the time of the summer, these plants do not get affected by it. They can easily handle the summer drought. Okay, the example of this type of the trees are this olive, cork, oak, etc. and the fruits that are grown over here are grapes, oranges, etc. So this is the end of this video. I'll continue with the rest of the portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.